भाई जहां रोहित शर्मा और विराट कोहली के फैंस चिंतित हैं कि रोहित शर्मा और विराट कोहली 2027 का वर्ल्ड कप खेलेंगे कि नहीं, उनकी न्यूजीलैंड और साउथ अफ्रीका सीरीज काफ़ी अच्छी रही, लेकिन बीसीसीआई और गौतम गंभीर और अजित अग्रवाल को भरोसा नहीं है कि भाई वो कब क्या कर दें। तो फैंस को दिन में चिंता बनी हुई है। तो जतिन सप्रू ने माही अनप्लग नाम के शो पर जब महेंद्र सिंह धोनी से ये सवाल पूछा तो महेंद्र सिंह धोनी ने विराट कोहली और रोहित शर्मा के फ्यूचर के बारे में क्या कहा, आइए हम आपको सुनाते हैं महेंद्र सिंह धोनी की ही जुबानी।
Question on behalf of everyone. You see Rohit Sharma and Virat Kohli play the 2027 World Cup.
Sorry, sir, what's the question?
You see Rohit Sharma and Virat Kohli play the 2027 World Cup.
Why not? Listen, thing is, why somebody should not play the next World Cup?
Yeah.
For me, age is not a criteria. Performance, fitness, these are the criteria. So I always feel nobody should be told anything. But the thing should be clear. Everyone will be treated the same way. When I made my debut, I was 24. So nobody came and told me anything. So now if I'm playing for India for 1 year, 2 years, 10 years, 20 years, whatever, nobody needs to come and tell me about my age. Is age a factor? No. Fitness factor? Yes. Fitness is a factor. Even if you're 22 and if you're not fit, then you have to be fit. The criteria of playing international cricket. So now when it comes to whether it's Rohit, whether it's Virat, or there'll be other names that will also come forward. Maybe in 5 years, 3 years, 10 years. The whole thing is, just because somebody is in their 30s, whether they can play or cannot play the next World Cup, it's not for us to decide. It's for them to decide. If they keep performing, if they're urged to do well for the country, then why not? How do you get experienced people? You can't get a 20-year-old who's experienced unless it's Sachin Tendulkar. There's only you can only get experience if you start playing when you're 16, 17. And international cricket is very different. So now for experienced people, if you want experience, you need people who have been maybe 30, 32, 33. But that's what you're calling experience. If you're calling 20 games and 25 games as experience, then they're not experienced. Because you need people to be under the pump in the job that they're doing. Especially it becomes even more crucial when you talk about people who bat down the order. Or bowlers, who bowl those death overs and the games are close. How many games are actually that close? So for me, if I'm a bowler, if I'm under the pump for 10, 15, 20 times, then I have to play 80 games, 35 games. To experience that and then to know how to tame my heart, how to tame my emotion, how to handle the pressure. So I feel the right combination of experience and youthfulness is very important, but not at the cost of fitness. Right? If you want to compete at the top level, you have to be fit. And now if you're 35 and fit, then 35 doesn't matter. Performance matters even for the 24-year-old and the 35-year-old. So where's the question of anybody questioning anyone?
Yeah.
Treat everyone equally. People are performing, they'll be there. People are not performing, they won't be there. And a lot of times they say, okay, the next World Cup is 2 years down the line, 3 years, or generally 4 years okay now. So this World Cup has happened, next is after 3 years or 4 years. So what? If the guy is not fit, you can chuck him out at any point of time. If he's not performing anyways, you chuck him out. So there should not be any question regarding any individual when it comes to selection. There's only one criteria. You're performing, you're fit. Keep on going.
And the last question before